Hello, friends. Welcome to Chamba Life in Canada, and we with another storm, guys. The blizzard has been going on for the last I don't know 12 hours or more, and we have about 40 centimeters of snow on top of the snow that was there already. So we're gonna open the door once again to see where the snow is. Okay, is it halfway or is it at the top? As you can see on the glass here, you can actually tell that I can't see outside no more. The snow is actually piled up right to the edge of the top of the door, guys. But we're gonna have to take a look, okay? We're gonna take a look. Okay, I'm gonna open this very slow because I don't want the snow to basically come towards me. Okay, so let's open up the door, guys. Let's open up the door slowly. Okay. And I am officially stuck indoors. As you can see, guys, this is the bottom of the door. Okay, right here, this is the halfway of the door. Okay, so this is the top. All right, so as you can see, you'll be able to see that it's actually snowing. The blizzard is still ongoing right now. Okay, so as you can see, the snow has basically come right to the edge of the door, or the top of the door. Okay, as you can see there, it's right at the top of the door, guys. I'm gonna see if I can put the phone outside. 1 second. I don't want to disrupt the snow that's here, guys. I don't know if you'll be able to see. Okay, that's the outside. Second, as you can see, it doesn't want to go past that. So yeah, as you can see, that the snow is basically covering the top of the door. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what I'm going through here now. If you can send some help, that would be great. So I don't want to disrupt this anymore. But down here, what I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see, I got some drinks here. Okay, so we're going to use this as the fridge. Okay, we're going to put them down here. Hopefully. All right, so that's one. All right, so let's use this one here. Okay, so we have the drinks there, and we're gonna let them chill for a little while, and then I'm gonna drink them because there's nothing else to do right now besides relaxing and watching the Olympics. Okay, so yeah, this is my situation right now, guys. I think we have over 40 centimeters of snow on top of the snow that was already here, and it's continuing until this evening and possibly until tomorrow morning. So you can see still snowing, and I just don't want the snow to fall on me. Okay, so I'm gonna close the door, and I will see you on the next video, guys. Thank you so much. It's cold.